up, gentlemen? So come here, come on, give me a little bit of that, little alpha knuckle bump. What about one of these? You think? You're feeling it? Yeah, I'm feeling it. I am today gonna go over the #1 secret and trick to get a girl to like you, and it is not confidence. That's the thing that drives me crazy. Every time you see a video or a topic or a post about, oh, get girls to like you, the #1 thing is confidence. It's always be confident. A girl wants a guy who's confident. Like, I get it. And that is the point of the Alpha M YouTube channel, to help you unlock your inner alpha. But there is something else that I have learned over the years that is going to secure the hearts of those sassy senoritas. Today, I'm going over the #1 trick to get girls to like you. Now, this video is going to be broken up into 2 parts. Part #1, I'm going to go over what it is. And then part #2, the majority of this video, I'm actually going to tell you how to do it. The #1 trick to get girls to like you is be more fun. Fun. Women want to be with guys that are fun, that are viewed as fun, that have great personalities. And today I'm going to go over some ways that you can improve your sense of humor, improve your personality, and have more fun. So the first way to be a more fun individual is to develop your sense of humor. If you can make a woman laugh, like, that's it. Game over, check please, like, we're done here. Because when a woman laughs, something crazy, chemically, psychological goes on in her brain. Stop it. Don't stop. Keep it going, but not too much. So now I'd like to talk real quick about how to develop your sense of humor, because sense of humor is a sense. It's not something that all of us were born with, but there are some things and ways that you can develop it. Watch funnier shit. I'm talking about movies. I'm talking about Instagram. One of my favorite Instagram accounts is this dude named Shithead Steve, right? It's a meme channel. Memes are amazing because they allow you to see everyday situations and how you can make it funny. Memes are like a seduction secret weapon, and what I mean by that is you can actually send other people's memes to your girl, she sees them, she laughs, she thinks of you, even though you're not funny. Comedy clubs are an incredible date idea because, once again, it's about the experience. It's about laughing. Even though you're not telling the joke, she's with you, you planned it, resulting in panties drop. Actually, it's a sock. I don't have any panties here. It's all about learning timing and delivery, and the more you can expose yourself and immerse yourself in funny situations around funny people, the better off you're going to be, and the more you're going to be able to explore and expose your sense of humor. The second way to be more fun is go listen to live music. Concerts, open mic nights, festivals. Guys, music is amazing. There's nothing better in terms of a night out, a date, or just going and doing something super fun like going and listening to live music. Last weekend, my wife and I had the best time. We actually went and saw an acoustic guitar player, like this art gallery thing. It was amazing. Check it out. Woo! There I am. See me? Front row, baby. It was so much fun. The whole night was amazing. We went to dinner. This event was like BYOB, so we brought a bottle of wine and we just hung out and listened to incredible acoustic music. Now, in terms of how to find really cool things to do in your town, whether or not it's concerts, music festivals, or even sporting events, which are also another amazingly fun thing to do, all I can say is you gotta hit that link down below and go download the completely free ticket buying app SeatGeek. Guys, I've talked about SeatGeek before. They're today's video sponsor, but they're not just a product I promote, they're a product that I use. I've used them for years. They are the only place you should be buying tickets for your live events, whether or not it's comedy clubs, whether or not it's Broadway shows, sporting events, concerts, music festivals, you name it, they've got it. And the beautiful thing about SeatGeek, you can actually search by event or you can search by location. When you open up the app, it's going to show you events near you, all right? You can search by category. You can also search like what's going on this weekend, which is super cool. I love doing that. It's always a great way to get great date ideas. Or you can search by the event, all right? Music festival, comedy club, Broadway shows, concerts, sporting events. When you find an event you want to go to, you hit it, and then you can actually buy the tickets there. But the beautiful thing about what SeatGeek does, they aggregate all of the tickets that are for sale for that event, and they rate each ticket and the price, and they indicate whether or not it's a good deal with a green dot or a bad deal with a red dot. There's a link down below. SeatGeek is completely free, all right? Go and download it today. Do not wait, and then make sure to use the code ALPHA to get $20 off your first purchase. Another way to have more fun, gentlemen, is join an intramural sports team or league, right? It's so much fun. You get to be active. You get to be around a lot of other people, and it's okay if you don't have other people to do it with. You can join by yourself. You're gonna meet new people. You're gonna go to like social events and outings, and you're just gonna have fun. It's not about the sport. sport, it's about the company. The fourth way to be more fun is to get off your ass and into the action. You've got to go do more, whether or not that is going to meetups, going to meet your friends, going out to dinner, going and just walking around your town, exploring art galleries. Gentlemen, whatever it is, you need to get off your ass and into the action. Your dream girl is not going to deliver your pizza. Number 5, which is grab life by the balls. Gentlemen, this world is amazing and you are incredible, but you are not going to achieve everything you want to achieve. You're not going to be as fun. You're not going to be as well-rounded as an individual and as a partner for that sassy senorita if you are boring, if you don't take chances, if you don't get out there, if you don't experience life. If you want to take your life and your funness and your personality and everything amazing about you to the next level, you've got to try different stuff. You've got to say yes to everything. Except meth. Don't say yes to meth. A yes instead of no. My knee-jerk reaction when people will say, hey, let's go do something is, no, I don't want to do it. I don't feel like it. I gotta get dressed. But when I go, I ended up having an incredibly fun time. And that's the thing, guys. You've got to be willing to be uncomfortable. If you want to be a more fun individual, you've got to do more stuff. Now, everything isn't going to be amazing. You're going to go to some things that are going to suck balls and you're going to be like, why did I waste my life? Most of the time, it doesn't happen. And the other thing about going and doing things, it's a mindset. If you go with a bad attitude, chances are you're gonna have a bad time. By saying to yourself, yo, I'm going and I'm gonna have a great time. I might even meet a super sassy senorita or a new friend or whatever it is, guys. You're gonna be so much more fulfilled as an individual. Your life is gonna get more rich. Life is about experiences. Life is about having fun and just enjoying yourself. Guys, we got one shot at this. And by you sitting at home and not doing things and just being on social media all the time, it prevents you from actually getting out there and living a life. Stop living vicariously through other people on social media. You've got to get out there. You've got to be the one that goes to these places. You've got to be the one that is posting pics of all these sick-ass things you're doing. Gentlemen, post more pics of sick-ass things you're doing. And by you posting pics of you doing sick-ass shit, lets everybody else know, yo mama, I'm the man. I'm fun. I'm going out. I'm kicking it. I'm having a great time. Whatever. Do you want to join me? And she's going to be like, yes, I want to join you, Brian, because you look fun. Gentlemen, be fun. It is the #1 way that you are going to get more spicy senoritas. And confidence, that helps too.